Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate short stories using Wondershare Filmora. So there's AI media here. You can do image to video, text to video, and AI image. So I don't have any credits, but basically you're going to insert your prompt here. I'm just going to insert this prompt, and then you're going to select generate. Once you've generated that image, you're going to then save it, or I think it's going to straight away have it on your media. Then you're going to bring it up here, image to video. Obviously, you can just insert your video here, but as you can see, I don't have credits for this. But if you do, this is how you're going to do it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.